Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Rose NJ. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, in today's video I want to quickly drop this video here. So in today's video I am going to be making some reviews because people have been commenting on one of my video on how to get rid of stomach ulcer. So I promised one person that I'm going to be making the video, which means last week Friday. I couldn't make it. If you come across to this video, I am sorry. It's because of I am sick. That's why I could not come out here to make video, because my throat was paining me. So now I am feeling much better than before. So now I am here to review everything to you, because I got a lot of comments. Some people say that they went to the shop to buy plantain. Unfortunately, they didn't get plantain. The plantain was finished, So one was asking me if you can buy banana to do it. No. So you can't use banana to make this plantain drink. You cannot use banana to make it. It's only plantain, unripe plantain. It's only unripe plantain you can use to do this drink, So if you want to use banana, I don't know about banana, because when I was growing up, I don't meet my grandmother using banana to do it. It's only unripe plantain I know, So we have gotten a lot of results, So anything that don't work, I don't show it in this my channels. I always show what is good on this my channel, because it's what I'm using with my family. That's what I'm here to review, So that's why you don't even see me coming out often to make video. I'm so busy, So that's well. So use unripe plantain. Can you guys see this one? This one, we have soaked this one for 10 days. My husband is the one that is drinking this drink here. So he has not finished it. He's still drinking it. Can you see it? So you have to use a rubber that has cover. Any rubber that have cover, that's the one you will use to soak this plantain. Can you guys see how mine is looking like? So this is how yours have to look like. Where we live here is very cold. That's why you are seeing it like this. Adumi is summer. You will see it ferment, everything just melts. So when you want to drink, you use sieve to sieve this plantain out. You use sieve, then you use sieve to put it inside a cup. If not, those melting one will enter inside. So you don't need that. It's just for you to use sieve to sieve it and drink, And don't use banana, sorry. It's only plantain or ripe plantain, the one that is not ripe at all, that greenish one. That's the one you will use. Remove the back, slice it, put it inside rubber that have cover. Soak it. This one you are seeing here is two plantain, two stick, it's two stick you are seeing here. The water was full like this. So my husband was drinking to this extent, to this place. That's why you are seeing it. Bring it. That's why you are seeing it like this. So you have to soak it for 3 days. After you peel it, sorry, I just got a call. So you can still use the peel, the plantain peel also for stomach ulcer, But I'll make it in another video, not in this video, So this one now is just ordinary plantain, the normal plantain or ripe plantain. Can you guys see it? You soak it for like 3 days. After 3 days, before you started drinking it. So I got one comment today. He was asking if he can, what did he say? He said if he can drink it before eating, So yes. The person said I reply one comment that the person has to drink 3 hours before food. If you can wait for 3 hours before food, it's fine. But if you cannot wait 3 hours before food, before meal, so it's better for you to just drink it 10 to 15 minutes, because some people, when you have ulcer, you need to eat fast, So drink it 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then you are free to eat, so that the thing will work a bit. In the afternoon, morning, 10 to 15 minutes before you eat, before you take breakfast, take it like that. Then afternoon, 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You have to take it 5 to 10 minutes before you take your lunch. It's okay like that. Then in the evening, you have to eat first, because you take in the morning, in the afternoon. You have to eat after eating 3 hours before bedtime. Then drink 1 glass cup of it. After drinking the glass cup of it, then you are free to go to bed. That one will work for your belly till the next morning. So that's what you have to do till you get rid of that stomach ulcer. You don't have to stop, because why you see me struggling talking is because of my throat is still paining me. I have symptoms of corona, my throat is still paining me, so I am not free. So I'm just managing to make this video for you guys, because I cannot just reply or comment once. Excuse me, I find it so difficult to swallow spit. So this is how you have to follow up. Take it often and often. Within 3 months, you get a huge result. You can even stop taking. But my advice for you is for you to keep on taking it till you don't feel that symptom anymore before you now stop. But after you have stopped, you have to be making it twice in a year. After you don't feel anything in your body, your stomach, twice in a year, buy plantain, soak it. My throat, buy plantain, soak it just exactly the way I explained this thing. Still do it the same way you did the first one. Soak it. Then after 3 to 4 days, start drinking it. Do it twice in a year after you are free for the stomach ulcer. So you have to be doing it twice a year. This year, twice. Till end of the year, you do it the same thing again. You are going to get good results, you know. You are not going to see that stomach ulcer anymore again for life. So my husband is free, and even sometimes when my child is feeling stomach pain, I used to give my child to drink. So that does it. Because we grow up in agbo, you have to take agbo. So we grow up taking herbal medicine, you know. So that does it, guys. So I am going to end this video. You guys should subscribe to my channel and also help me to be sharing my video. And also, I've explained everything that I think that you need to know. My throat is paining me, so I am going to end up this vlog here. In case you have anything that you want us to talk about, please feel free to leave the comment by the comment section below. So if you want me to still make a review of anything, let me know. I'll come out to make a review of it. So that's it, guys. I am going to still come back in another video. I'm searching for pawpaw. I'm going to still review that one. That one is still working exactly like this, you know. So I'll still make that video on a very good day when I see pawpaw, all right, pawpaw to buy. So subscribe to this channel, because this channel is everything natural. Subscribe for you guys not to miss anything by, you know. So kiss. I love you all. Bye. Thank you for your support. Help me to be liking my video. Help me to share. Help me to leave comment by the comment section below. Bye.